Lakewood, when your water line springs a leak or loses pressure, every tap in your home is affected, and that's unacceptable. Belmar Lake Plumbing races to your rescue with our high-energy waterline repair and replacement service, bringing lightning-fast response and unmatched expertise to every job. Imagine discovering wet spots in your yard, strange pressure drops, or sudden spikes in your water bill, signs that hidden pipe damage is threatening your home's foundation and wallet. Our certified technicians dive in with advanced leak detection tools, pinpointing the problem without needless digging. From minor repairs to full waterline replacements, we deploy durable materials and proven techniques that restore flawless flow and prevent future woes. We know Lakewood's unique soil conditions and seasonal shifts, so we customize solutions that stand up to root intrusion, shifting ground, and extreme temperatures. Our local crews work clean, communicate clearly, and leave your property looking better than we found it. Picture turning on every faucet and seeing strong, steady water. Pressure, knowing your pipes are secure and your home protected. That's the peace of mind Belmar Lake Plumbing guarantees. Rapid mobilization, precise execution, and results you can trust for years. Don't wait for a small drip to become a devastating burst. For Lakewood residents who demand reliability and unmatched service, there's only one call to make. Trust the local waterline experts. Call Belmar Lake Plumbing today and experience the power of truly solid plumbing.